A block of ice and a cloud of steam seem like completely different things, but they're not. They are the exact same stuff, water, just in different states. Everything around us is constantly changing its form in this way through what are called physical changes. These changes don't alter what a substance is, only how it appears. The secret lies in the particle theory. It states that everything is made of tiny, constantly moving particles. The state of any substance, solid, liquid, or gas, simply depends on how much energy these particles have. In a solid, like ice, they're packed tight, just vibrating in place. Add some energy, some heat, and they start to slide past each other, becoming a liquid. In this state, they can flow and take the shape of a container. Add even more energy, and the particles break free entirely, zipping around as a gas, filling any space they can. This is why melting and boiling happen. But here's a fascinating detail. While a substance is changing state, its temperature doesn't change at all. As ice melts into water, it stays at exactly 0 degrees Celsius until all the ice is gone. All the heat energy is being used to break the bonds between particles, not to raise the temperature. Even without a full-blown state change, heat has an effect. Heat something up and its particles move faster, pushing each other apart, causing the object to expand. This is why bridges have metal expansion joints. Cool something down and it contracts. Try putting a balloon in the freezer for 30 minutes. It will shrink as the air particles inside slow down and huddle together. But water is a rebel. It's one of the only common substances that expands when it freezes. Its molecules form a crystal structure that takes up more space, which is why ice floats and why frozen pipes can burst. It's a simple rule breaker that shapes our entire planet.